What's up everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the removal and installation of your factory water pump, crank, and alternator pulleys. Removal of these three pulleys can be used from anything such as upgrading to an aftermarket underdrive pulley set to replacing damaged components. Let's go over to our 90 GT here in the shop and we'll show you how this is done. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. With the belt still installed, loosen the crank and the water pump pulley bolts. Remove the serpentine belt by shifting the adjuster to the driver's side. Remove the bolts from the water pump. Once these are off, you can remove the fan and pulley. Now you can remove the crank pulley the rest of the way as well. To gain access to the alternator, pull back the upper radiator hose and strap this out of the way. Remove the alternator mounting bolts. Lift the alternator out of its cradle to access the pulley. Using an impact, remove the stock pulley and install the new pulley. Reuse the stock nut and washer or replace if needed. Reinstall the alternator and the mounting bolts and tighten. Install the new water pump pulley and loosely tighten all the hardware. Now install the crank pulley and loosely tighten the hardware. Use this time to inspect your serpentine belt on your car. Check for obvious flaws or cracks and replace if need be. With the serpentine belt on, tighten the water pump and the crank pulley bolts until fully seated. Check that the serpentine belt is properly seated on all of your pulleys. Alright everyone, this one is an easy job to tackle in your driveway and should roughly take you about an hour and a half to complete. We chose to remove a set of underdrive pulleys this GT had due to minor charging issues with the alternator. Going back in with the stock set fixed all of our issues. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date every time we release new tech content like this one. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.